Hello everyone. So we're here from this game 7 from this analyze of these games here in FIDE Women's World Championship 2025. So it means today is game number 7 from this one. So it means long game within 1 hour and 13 minutes here from this chess clock from this game Robins from this one. So it means last game 6, so it means these are the loss from this challenger from this one. So the score from this GM Ju from First Women World Champion is 4.0 points from this one. And also score by GM Tan from this challenger is lowest 2.0. So it means we'll try again to win up this GM Tan from this one. So it means today's game 7 and also have between from this Grandmaster from this First Women World Champion in China, Zhu Wenjun, versus from Grandmaster from this China from this challenger is Tan Zhongyi from this one. So who was the win of this one will plus 1 of these points of this winning here from this one. So it means the Sicilian game from this 2 times Sicilian defense from this one. So in today's game 7, in this part of this video, we have analyzed here of these chess games in this FIDE Women's World Championship game 7. So white plays Chu is e4, c5 Sicilian defense by Tan again, so it means Sicilian defense, and also knight f3, knight c6, bishop b5 is called Rossolimo variation from this one. So it means these are the main line here is simple is d4. So it means d4, I don't know, it's called Scotch defense or maybe etc from this one. So it means bishop b5 by Ju Rossolimo from this one. And also e6 and also castle kingside by Ju. Castle kingside without castling, and also knight ge7. So it means knight ge7. So if you capture this one, so it means exchanged by knights only from this captured from this one. So it means without captured. So d4 by Ju. So it means d4. So it means d4 by Ju without develops here, and also captured, knight takes captured, and also queen b6. So it means queen b6 without develops here by Tans here from this one. So it means if you capture this, knight takes captured from this one. Knight takes d4 here, and also queen takes knight. So without examples, without develops here, or maybe without controls here from this one. So queen b6 by Tans by move here, and also knight takes captured, pawn takes captured, threatening bishop, bishop to d3 backwards without we need to focus backwards here, and also knight g6 by Tan, or maybe without coming by forward by f4, or maybe with a threat by bishop here without develops here by this one. And also c4, so it means c4 is called Roxibine, or maybe Roxibine here, or without targets attacks here from this one, or maybe without move by pawns here without develops here. And also bishop to e7 without upcoming by castling, castle kingside by Tans here from this one. And also knight c3, so it means knight c3 by Ju without move forward by knight a4, or threatening by queen without neutralized here by queens here from this one. And also castle kingside by Tan, and also knight a4 by Ju without upcoming by neutralized attacking this one by queen, threatening by queens here from this one. And also queen c7, c5, so it means without move forward pushes by Ju here, and also d5 by Tans, and also Empasa captured, and also bishop takes d6 without captured, or maybe without threatening by pawns by h2 without check, or simple as without check because the behind the queens without doubles here from this one. And also queen h5, so it means queen h5 is novelty by Ju from this one. So it means the old main line here is also first here is also h3, and also second is g3, and also third by f4 without old main lines here from this one. So it means queen h5 by novelty by Jew from this one, and also rook b8, and also b3 without movement by Jew, without controls, without defense here from this one, without develops, and also rook d8, rook d1, so it means without move by Jew here, and also rook b4 by Tans here without we need to forwards or controls focusing move by Tans here, and also bishop b2, and also knight f4, good move by Tans here from this one. So it means knight f4 by Tan without threatening by bishop and queen, without threatening doubles here from this one, and also queen f3, and also knight takes bishop without upcoming threatening by bishop here, or simple is that we need to develop here from this one, and also rook takes d3, and bishop to a6 by Tan without threatening by targets by rook here, or maybe without rook by Jew, without threatening by rook, and also rook dd1 backwards, and also bishop takes h2 check. So it means why? Because the check here, or simple is that because the behind the queens without doubles, so it means without check here from this one, and also king force h1, and also good move, another good move is bishop d6, another good move by Tan without backwards here, or maybe without focusing here, and also queen c3, so it means without bishop to queen, without threatening by mating net by Tan. So it means without checking mating net, without checkmate, without threatening by mating net by without queen and bishop here, and also bishop f8 without defense by Tans here from this one. So it means no more by mating nets here, and also knight c5 without threatening by bishop here, and also rook b6 without defense here, and also queen e5 without queen to queen, or maybe without rook to rook. So it means without queen to queen and rook to rook. So it means without double. And also queen e7 avoided by Tans here from this one. So what do you think if you move by queen takes captured here, and also bishop takes queen without accepting here? So if you move by rook takes captured from this one, and rook takes captured. Simple is that without need more examples here from this one. So back there is queen e7 without avoided by Tans here, and also rook ac1 without code first rank from this one, and also rook b5 without move controls by Tans here, and also accepting by Jew, rook takes captured, queen takes captured, and also queen d4 without queen to queen, and also queen h4 check without avoided, without check. So it means bad move by Tans in this computer. So the one's computer here in accepting by queen takes captured by queen to queen. If you bishop takes queen, and also bishop takes knight, and also bishop takes c5 without move or controls here, without develops here from this one. So queen h4 check by Tans here, and also king g1, and also bishop to c8 by Tans here, and also e5 without opening by queen to queen. So it means bad move by Jew. So it means bad move. So the best moves there is a4. So it means a4. So it means a4 are best moves here from this one. If you move by rook b8 here from this one, and queen to e5, if you move by rook a8, or simple as that is queen to c7 without movement, or without examples here, so without move by white and blacks here from this one. So e5 by Jew here, and also accepting by Tan, queen takes captured, bishop takes queen, and also a5 by Tans here from this one. So it means without move by a4 by pawns by tans here, and also f4, and also h5 without movement, without forwards by tans here, and also king f2, bishop to e7, and king e3. So it means king must be active by move by Jew. So it means without move by king here, and also g5, and also knight e4, and also capture, king takes. So it means without develops here, and also bishop to b7 without defense. So it means mistake move by Tan. So it means mistake move. So the best moves there is a4 sacrifice. So it means a4 sacrifice here. So if you move by rook takes c6 here from this one, without threatening bishop, and also bishop to b7 threatening bishop, and also rook b6 if you capture this one, and also bishop takes captured, and captured. So simple as that. We need more examples by controls here from this one. So back there is bishop to b7, and also good move bishop c5 by Jew, good move, and also bishop takes captured. So it means why don't we avoid it? So it means bishop d8, and also knight d6 without threatening by rooks and bishop. Oh, without doubles here from this one. So it means decided accepting by Tan's bishop to captured here, and also knight takes bishop. So it means knight versus bishop without movement here. So how many pawns? So it means 4 pawns by Tan, and 5 pawns by repeat. So it means how many pawns? So it means 4 pawns by Jew. 4 pawns. So it means 4 pawns, and also 5 pawns by Tan. Oh, so it means 4 versus 5 from this one. So I'm sorry, I got wrong of this name from this one. So it means I forgot my thinking from this one. So it means these are the realizations by thinking from this focusing. So it means, so king g7. So let's continue, king g7. So it means without forced move. So it means another bad move by Tan. So it means another bad move. So the best moves there is a4 again. So it means without miss move. So miss move again by Tan. So it means we need to move by sacrifice. So king g7, and also king g5 without threatening by pawn. So it means X move by Jew. So the best moves there is a4 again without threatening here. If we move by rook b4 check, and king g5. So it means without threatening by pawns here from this one. So back there is king g5, and also bishop a8. Oh my god. So it means nothing special here from this one. So it means another bad move, mistake move. Oh my god, that's not concentration by Tans here from this one. So it means a4 are miss move again. So it means a4 again. So if you capture this one, or rook takes captured without check. Oh, simple is that we need determination here. So it means a4 again are mismoved by this move here from this one. So it means a4. So back there is bishop to backwards a8, and king takes captured without captured here, and also rook b8, rook c4, rook h8 check, king g4. So it means king g4 by develops here, and rook h2. So it means without threatening by g2 by pawns, and king g3 without defense, and rook h5 without upcoming by check. So it means without checking here, and also rook g4 check, and king f8, rook a4 go back. So without threatening by pawns. So it means threatening by pawns here, and also king e7, capture this pawn, capture this pawn. So it means without develops here. So it means if you capture this one by bishop, or still continue by captured by knights here from this developments from this one. So it means without develops here from this, without, for example, without movement. So it means without move here from this one. So it means so first puzzle. So what do you think the nice shot from this one, from this realized by nice move by GM, first women world champion by GM Chu and Chu. So while waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone is Rook A7 check. So it means Rook A7 check. So if you move by here, if you move by King F6 and also Knight D7 check. How simple is that? So it means, so if you move by here, oh King King E8. Oh, King E8 here, and simple is that Rook to Rook to D7. Simple is that realized by here. So it means realized by move here. So it means if you move by here, if you move by King F King F8 here, and also here, Knight D7 without double, or maybe without doubles here from this one. So it means double. So it means, so move by here is King D6, and also silent move is one is B4. So it means, B4 here. So without threatening by here, threatening by making net here, or without capture this one bishop. So it means resign. So it means resign by give up by GM tag. So it means lose by block. So it means 4. So it means 4 by GM Tanzong. So it means we need to concentration. You must to try again to win. So it means the score of this one is GM by first women world champion. The score is 5.0. So it means 5.0 points, and GM Tanzungi 2.0 remaining. So it means, so we need to try to win by challenger GM Tansongi from this one. So I hope of this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Lowally 17, aka Mark 17. Have a good day and keep safe, and keep update of these chess updates from this one. So it means bye bye.